movie was that Philip was watching, and he said in the movie that they had the wrong Star Wars figures and stuff because it was before the movie hadn't come out.
Not yet.
When that movie was supposed to be
made.
Made.
We made a Yoda. And it's C3PO.
You did.
That's my favorite one before.
When? Where? At work. There you go.
Okay, the last page. And then on Friday, I'm going to dress up as R2-D2.
He's just gnawing.
Your daddy's
Size matters.
Ewok suit.
He's biting over bad ones.
They dressed up as Ewoks on your Halloween.
I was going to be Yoda, but Karen told me not to.
What are you smiling at me for?
Well, you would have made a good one. Okay, I combed this one's hair.
Get me back.